vlog in Thailand. Well, specifically a snack review. So to start off, we have like my favorite Thai snack. It's this like breadstick 5 flavor thing, and it's really good. I really enjoy it. There's these tiny little breadsticks. They kind of smell like fish, like a lot like fish, but they don't taste like fish. They're like these little tiny things. Okay, and they're a little spicy and sweet and other things. That's why they're called 5 flavors. They're really tasty. I like them. Okay. Up next we have banana chips. There's a lot of different banana chips. I've had banana chips with sugar on them, banana chips that are spicy, banana chips that are covered in barbecue sauce. Lots of different kinds. These are just plain. Very thick. You got a solid crunch out of it. So I should rate these. So this is like a 9 out of 10, and this is like a 7 out of 10. All right, up next are things I haven't really tried before. Just bought these at our local little snack shop. This is seaweed flavor. Seaweed flavor. We're gonna try this one. If you think American chip companies are bad about filling their bags with air, there's nothing next to Asian things. It's absolutely wild. It's like mostly air. Smells pretty normal. Not half bad. It doesn't really taste that like salty or fishy or anything. Maybe a little sweet. Not bad. Not bad, not bad. I rate like a 7, yeah, 7 out of 10. That's pretty good. Okay, so next we have hot chili squid flavor. Hot chili squid flavor. So the trick with these bags full of air is you open it like that. You just, okay, this one. Okay, this one smells weird. This one smells weird. It's spicy and fishy, so my mouth just went through a journey, and it tastes a little better than it smells. But it still tastes pretty bad. We're gonna give that one a 4 out of 10. Doesn't taste super fishy, but doesn't taste good either. Okay, this is called something in Thai. The only English word I can read on it is devil, and it's got like flames all over it, so probably going to be spicy. It doesn't smell bad. It smells like chili a little bit. It's a little spicy. Actually, it's pretty spicy, but it's good. It's good. It tastes like those little meat sticks. What are those things you get? Those little meat
Slim Jims?
Slim Jims. They taste like Slim Jims. These are good. I'm gonna get in those again before we leave. Okay. I give those like an 8 out of 10. Maybe an 8.5 out of 10. Very good. So that was all for the chips. So get those out of the way. Now we're on to candy and whatever the heck this thing is. So we get weird things as gifts to eat sometimes, and we never quite know what we're getting. So this is like a little cake rice thing. I think it's made out of rice. It's like a little pastry. Smells interesting, like a stale fried thing. Soft crunch, very soft. Kind of crumbles in your mouth, but the taste is okay. Really about like a 6.5 out of 10. Okay. On to these things. These are like my favorite things I get here. Like the little candies. They're very tasty. They're like milk flavored. And I thought they were gonna be hard when I first tried them, but they're actually like soft when you bite into them. Very sweet, creamy taste. 9 out of 10. I love these guys. Could eat them all day. And then I bought this little thing because I wasn't sure what it was and I thought I'd try it. Turns out it's a marshmallow. Strawberry flavored? Strawberry? Yeah. Strawberry flavored mushroom. Strawberry flavored marshmallow. It does not smell great. I'm not starting off on a good note here. Okay.
You didn't bite it in half and see what was in the middle.
Is there something in the middle? Oh, there is something in the middle. Oh, I thought it was just a marshmallow.
No.
I'm sorry, audience. I disappointed you. It's so gross. I don't like that. No, -5 out of 10. It's like, okay, I didn't know there was something in the middle, so I just took a whole bite. But there was something really chalky and gross that kind of tasted like imitation strawberry. Not good. Do not recommend. You could skip those if you ever come to Thailand and want to try the snacks. Okay, so another thing that Thailand has a lot of is flavored milks. Or milks, if you're apparently a normal person.
Flavored milk.
So, I chose the orange flavored one. So we're gonna try this one out. I really enjoy milk a lot. It's one of my favorite things. And so I haven't tried the flavored ones because I figured flavoring milk is just solely eating it. But here we go, and we're gonna try it. I'm a little nervous. I can't do it. I can't. It's gross. It's gross. I give that like a 0 out of 10. Not as bad as the weird marshmallow thing, but that was pretty gross. It was like tangy, but milk. It was like the milk had gone sour. It was sad. It made my heart sad. So these are my favorite. The something in Thai, devil chips. Thanks. Thank you for watching my video. I would say like and subscribe this to the YouTube channel, but it's not. So, goodbye.